Vocabulary words Tagalog-English translation. First one, mambola, flatter. Pambobola, flattery. Kaplastikan, plasticity. Posibilidad, prospect. Magpakasawa, indulge. Nakakabighani, fascinating. Nakakaakit, alluring. Paglilibang, leisure. Gamitin, utilize. Defekto or kapintasan, flaw. Dungis, blemish. Lunas, remedy. Nakakadiri, disgusting. Nakakaawa, pathetic. Nakakainis, annoying. Nakakalito, confusing. Nakakabahala, alarming. Gayuma, i-comment mo sa baba. See you there. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. See you on my next video.